All right, ROK Realty report, September 2022. The big story is rising mortgage rates. You've probably seen in the news that rates have hit a 15-year high of 6.7%. And in response, mortgage applications and refinance applications have dropped down 22% since last year. So we're kind of feeling the effects of this in the marketplace. The public and the buyers are kind of digesting these higher rates. A lot of buyers are switching to ARMs and adjustable rate mortgages to kind of mitigate this. But the strong rates are very high. They're the highest in 15 years since the 2008 financial crisis. So actively monitoring this and seeing how this affects inventory and also purchase prices. So speaking of purchase prices, we had another decrease this month. This is the second straight decrease in prices this month. Last month it was around 2%. This month is about 3%. Prices are still up 7.7% since last year, but sales have been declining on a month-to-month basis for the seventh straight consecutive month. So we're seeing the rates kind of affect the market there, and we're just kind of monitoring that and see how it goes. So if you've been waiting to buy, you may have some more choices coming up. It just depends on the inventory and what happens from that respect. Now, rent prices have been up substantially as well, over 20% since 2 years ago and 7.7% since last year alone. We saw the first decrease in rental prices. Now, it's going to be interesting to see how this goes. A lot of times rental prices decrease around this time of year with the seasonality. People tend to rent more in the summertime, and as the holidays go on, there's less demand for rentals. People don't want to really rent during the holidays. So it could be a seasonal adjustment, but I would have to think as mortgage rates continue to rise that rental prices will rise too. But we'll actively monitor this, and we'll just keep a close abreast of this. We work with a lot of investors, and we definitely monitor this for them and also our rental clients. Lastly, we have a new feature, the monthly reminder. So this month's monthly reminder is to get your sprinklers blown out. If you have a sprinkler system, a lot of times these slots fill up. So you just definitely want to get on the schedule and get ahead of this, and not forget to blow out your sprinklers. Otherwise, there could be damage and further damage there to your sprinkler system. So let me know if you have any questions. We're always here. If you have any questions on the data, if you want to go further into your local market, definitely available for that. Inventory is kind of stagnant across the board, but we're seeing some markets where inventory is skyrocketing. So that's what's fun about real estate. It's a very macro market, but also a micro market where you have to focus on the individual markets that you're in because the data here doesn't always tell the full story. And it's very individualized based on geography. So let me know if you have any questions. Make it a great day, and feel free to hit reply to this email.